Today we are looking at the WeKey Super Slim Touch Keyboard. How about we just type, this is a test message. Okay, so right off the bat, I mean, this keyboard does not feel that great, I will say. There's no way you can type fast on this. I think I type significantly faster on my iPhone rather than using this keyboard. And I wouldn't really imagine that you could type like an email or an essay with this, because it's just not easy. And like, this is an attempt for me to type faster, so let's just type something. This is an attempt for me to type faster. Like, half of those characters didn't even get registered. So I don't really think that should have been a long sentence, and all I got was N24ETF. I don't know. Let's talk about some pros of this keyboard. Super light, flexible, you know, it's very thin profile. I guess it looks pretty cool. Cons are like everything else, pretty much. It's not particularly good for typing. As long as I've been using it, it hasn't. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. And it just, I don't know, it's just not good. If you can get used to using this keyboard, that's perfect, because you can take it with you, no problem. You're not even gonna know it's there. The hardest thing for me though was actually using the keyboard. And I think that is something that was a little bit difficult, and I think a lot of people will have trouble with that. Huge shout out to the people at Product Ninja for hooking me up with this product for review. If you are interested in getting products like these to review for yourself, definitely check the link down below in the video to find out more information. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more product reviews and unboxings such as this one. Other than that, guys, Archer here with Off the Hook Reviews, signing off. Peace out.